Hello everyone, this is going to be a video tutorial on how to create folders in Gmail. Open up your Gmail in your browser. To create folders in Gmail, click on the plus icon beside labels at the left hand side here. Then you create your folder name. Tap on create. Now your folder has been created. Now if you want to nest a folder inside your folder, you click on the plus icon again. Enter the new name of the folder you want to create. Then below the next label under here, click on this small checkbox and select a parent folder to nest your new folder. You select this folder, then you click on create. Now you can see beside this folder there's a drop down arrow by the original folder. You click on it and here you can see your nested folders. You can nest as many folders as you want inside your original folder just by following the same process. So guys, that is how you create folders in Gmail. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you soon guys. Bye.